Hello, Buck Domino and Domino community. This is Leslie, and I'd like to submit a video for the leadership board at Buck Domino. So let's go take a look, see what we got. Okay, this one is for the category height, subcategory mini dominoes, and there you go. Let me get my tape measure. Alright. Okay. It is about 33 inches. Of course, we'll let Buck Domino make the final call. Whoops. And we are going to topple. Hold on a second. We'll leave that there. Okay, we're going to topple this. And I'll just do it by hand. I was going to get my car, but okay. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, did you guys hear that hit that table? Awesome. It went everywhere. Thank you for your consideration.